are at the workflow screen. Click on start, and for the product search we need the product search button, and now here would just mention a title as product search options. This is internal. Click check the box here for any message to be triggered. Here we will instruct the chatbot to send in specific messages to the customer. The next step is to instruct the chatbot to send out messages. So you could mention here, say as a title as choose a menu option or choose an option. It's fine. Add option here, and here you could give search for a product and save note. So the next thing is to connect, and while connecting, select the appropriate option, which is search for a product here. Go to product search box here, edit, and then ensure that you have your product which you want the customers to see listed here, and that's it. Save note. So ensure you have the chatbot on mode and save workflow. Now let's test the workflow on the chatbot screen and figure out if it's working. Over to there. We're on the chatbot screen to test. Let's go ahead and initiate a message, and it has given us an option to search for product. Click on search for product here, and as you can see that the chatbot has given us a message to type in. I'll select shirts for the time being. So it has given out products here, and as you can see the products have come in. Your customer will just have to view them and add to cart and make a purchase in there. That's all for today. Thank you.